શ્રી સ્વામિનારાયણ ભગવાનની
જય
અક્ષર પુરુષોત્તમ મહારાજની
જય
ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની
જય
ભગતજી મહારાજની
જય
શાસ્ત્રીજી મહારાજની
જય
યોગીજી મહારાજની
જય
પ્રમુખ સ્વામી મહારાજની
જય
महंत स्वामी महाराजनी
જય
प्रमुख स्वामी महाराज शताब्दी महोत्सवनी
જય
अक्षरधाम महोत्सवनी
જય
Jai Swaminarayan Balaks and Balikas, I hope you're all ready for another Sunday with Swami. Today, we're going on another fun-filled adventure.
Today, we're going to Sabha on a train, but not just any train, a divine train. Mari Swaminarayanni Gadi.
This is the last call for train 108. This is the last call for train 108. The train will be departing shortly.
Parambai, that's our train number. Let's hurry up and get our tickets stamped.
Please scan the tickets below. Thank you. Enjoy your trip.
Hey Parambai, what makes this train so divine? It seems like an ordinary train to me.
Great question. This train seems ordinary, but what makes it divine are all of its passengers. Here, I'll give you a hint to our first passenger. He came onto this earth to grant ultimate liberation, spread Ekantic Dharma across the region.
Balaks and Balikas, do you all know what Parambai is talking about?
Correct! You guessed it! It's Shriji Maharaj. Okay, now here's the clue for the next two passengers. An ideal devotee, the perfect match. Only to Maharaj was he attached. A simple Durji he was to most, but to Seva he was totally engrossed.
I think you're talking about Gunatitanand Swami and Bhagatji Maharaj, right?
Correct!
Wait a minute, I think I know what you're getting at. You're talking about our Guru Parampara. Man, I love learning about our gurus through these riddles. Parambai, tell us more.
Sorry, I'm fresh out of riddles, but I know someone who can help us learn more about Maharaj and Swami and all of our gurus. Puja Krishna Prem Swami. Puja Krishna Prem Swami was born and raised in India. He graduated from a college with a bachelor's degree in commerce. He received Diksha in 1992 during the Yogi Shatabdi Samayo in Gandhinagar. He was placed in America in 2004 and is currently doing seva as a Bal Kishore Sant doing Vichran in the southwest region.
શ્રી સ્વામિનારાયણ ભગવાનની જય અક્ષર પુરુષોત્તમ મહારાજની જય ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય ભગતજી મહારાજની જય શાસ્ત્રીજી મહારાજની જય યોગીજી મહારાજની જય પ્રમુખ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય महंत स्वामी महाराजनी जय प्रमुख स्वामी महाराज शताब्दी महोत्सवनी जय अक्षरधाम महोत्सवनी जय. To start off this presentation, may I ask you guys few questions? Who has ridden a bicycle before? How far can a bicycle go? Maybe to the end of your street. Who has traveled in a school bus? How far will the bus take you? Most likely a couple of miles around our community. Who has traveled in a car? How about your car? How far will it go? Possibly all the way to other cities. Who has traveled in an airplane? How far will a plane take you? Potentially as far as another country. But have you traveled in a train that travels from city to city? If not, don't worry. Because today we will all travel in a very special train. The train we will take today will not only travel to a different city, but will take us all the way to Akshardham. Confused? How can a train take us all the way to Akshardham? Isn't a train limited by distance like the bicycle, the car, the school bus, and the plane? The answer is yes. A guru is our mother, our father, our brother, our sister, and even our best friend. A guru is very important. Does anyone know why? Yes, exactly. Because a guru is the only way we can get closer to Bhagwan. As we learned many times in our Sabha, Shriji Maharaj is always present on earth through Akshar Brahma. The Guru Parampara consists of countless qualities that we can learn from. But in today's Sabha, we will highlight one quality from each Guru and learn how it contributed to Shriji Maharaj's mission. Let's get ready to board the Akshar Dhamni train and learn how we can imbibe the guns, the qualities of our Gurus in our lives.
મારી સ્વામિનારાયણની ગાડી છુક છુક કરતી ચાલે
મારી સ્વામિનારાયણની ગાડી છુક છુક કરતી ચાલે
ઉપર સત્સંગનો ઝંડો ફરકે
ઉપર સત્સંગનો ઝંડો ફરકે
કેવી દડબડ 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 દોડે
મારી સ્વામિનારાયણની ગાડી છુક છુક કરતી ચાલે મારી સ્વામિનારાયણની ગાડી પહેલા ડબ્બામાં
ઓ પહેલા ડબ્બામાં શ્રીજી મહારાજ શોભે છે
પહેલા ડબ્બામાં શ્રીજી મહારાજ શોભે છે
સૌને મંત્ર મુક્તિનો આપે છે
સૌને મંત્ર મુક્તિનો આપે છે કયો મંત્ર આપે છે ભગવાન અને ભગવાનના સંત એ જ કલ્યાણકારી છે સદાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય
Wow, Shriji Maharaj is seated in this first carriage. Do you know who Shriji Maharaj is? He is Sarvopari Bhagwan, one who resides in Akshardham, one who is all-doer, one who is the source of everlasting happiness. We are very lucky that Parabrahma Purushottam Shriji Maharaj selected this universe and this planet to travel with us, to give us darshan. It was impossible for us to meet Shriji Maharaj, but just like for an ant, it is impossible to shake hands with an elephant. The elephant became like an ant to become his friend. So Shriji Maharaj is teaching us that Bhagwan ne Bhagwan na Sant ej kalyankari che, meaning only Bhagwan and the Satpurush can grant us moksha. This is the main message of all scriptures. So everyone repeat after me. ભગવાન અને ભગવાનના સંત
ભગવાન અને ભગવાનના સંત
એ જ કલ્યાણકારી છે.
એ જ કલ્યાણકારી છે.
બીજા ડબ્બામાં
ઓ બીજા ડબ્બામાં ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામી
બીજા ડબ્બામાં ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામી
સૌને સાચું નિશાન બતાવે છે
સૌને સાચું નિશાન બતાવે છે કયું નિશાન બતાવે છે સાનાલાલ હલે સાંઈ વાત કરી છે આપણે તો અક્ષરધામમાં જવું છે એક સંકલ્પ રાખવો ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય
Shriji Maharaj didn't came alone. Look, he brought Gunatitananda Swami with him. Who is Gunatitananda Swami? He is Akshar Dham, where God resides all the time. He is Akshar Brahma. He is dearest and nearest to Bhagwan and an ideal servant of Bhagwan. He is the first successor of Bhagwan Swaminarayan and our guide. When he was present on earth, his guided lessons were written down. In one Swaminivat, Gunatitanand Swami has shown us our goal, meaning what is the purpose of our birth on this earth. What is our ultimate goal? Yes, going to Akshardham. Everyone please repeat after me. સ્વામિનારાયણ હરે સ્વામીએ વાત કરી જે
સ્વામિનારાયણ હરે સ્વામીએ વાત કરી છે.
આપણે તો અક્ષરધામમાં જવું છે એવો એક સંકલ્પ રાખવો.
આપણે તો અક્ષરધામમાં જવું છે એવો એક સંકલ્પ રાખવો.
ત્રીજા ડબ્બામાં
ત્રીજા ડબ્બામાં પ્રાગજી ભગત મલકે
ત્રીજા ડબ્બામાં પ્રાગજી ભગત મલકે
એની બોલીમાં ગુરુ ભક્તિ છલકે
એની બોલીમાં ગુરુ ભક્તિ છલકે. ગુરુ ભક્તિ આપણામાં કેવી રીતે આવે? ગુરુનું વચન અડલ જીવવું, અડલ એટલું નહીં પાડવા દેવું. હા, ગુરુનું વચન અધર ચીલવું, હેઠું ન પાડવા દેવું. ભગતજી મહારાજની જય.
Here in this carriage, Bhagatji Maharaj is giving darshan. Look, look, Guru Bhakti is glowing from his face. Does anyone know what Guru Bhakti means? Guru Bhakti means to always perform actions that will make our Guru Raji. Bhagatji Maharaj is a perfect example of how we should make our Guru Raji. He followed each and every agna of Gunatitananda Swami. Through him, we can learn how to do bhakti and please our Guru. So now repeat after me. ગુરુનું વચન અધર ઝીલવું,
ગુરુનું વચન અધર ઝીલવું,
હેઠું ન પડવા દેવું.
હેતુ ન પડવા દેવું.
ચોથા ડબ્બામાં
ચોથા ડબ્બામાં શાસ્ત્રીજી મહારાજ છે.
ચોથા ડબ્બામાં શાસ્ત્રીજી મહારાજ છે.
શુદ્ધ ઉપાસના સમજાવે છે.
ઉપાસના સમજાવે છે. કઈ ઉપાસના? ગુણાતીતાનંદ મૂળ અક્ષર સહજાનંદ એક પાર્વેશ્વર.
ગુણાતીતાનંદ
મૂળ અક્ષર
સહજાનંદ એક
પાર્વેશ્વર. શાસ્ત્રીજી મહારાજની જય.
Look, who is seated in the fourth carriage? Yes, he is Shastriji Maharaj, one who spread the glory of Akshar and Purushottam, one who established our BAPS Sanstha in 1907, one who gave us Yogiji Maharaj and Pramukh Swami Maharaj. Through him, we can learn about our Akshar Purushottam Upasana. It is by understanding this Upasana, we are able to attain Akshardham. So what is our Upasana? Our Upasana is ગુણાતીતાનંદ મૂળ અક્ષર,
ગુણાતીતાનંદ મૂળ અક્ષર,
સહજાનંદ એક પરમેશ્વર.
સહજાનંદ એક પરમેશ્વર.
ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામી is અક્ષર and Shriji Maharaj is સર્વોપરી ભગવાન.
પાંચમા ડબ્બામાં
પાંચમા ડબ્બામાં યોગી બાપા ડોલે છે.
પાંચમા ડબ્બામાં યોગી બાપા ડોલે છે.
આહો સત્સંગનું ભાતું ખોલે છે.
સત્સંગનું ભાતું ખોલે છે. ખાતામાં શું છે? સમ સુલભ ભાવ ને એકતા લાખ્યા વગર છૂટકો જ નથી. યોગીજી મહારાજની જય.
In this carriage, we have Yogiji Maharaj. Did you know that it was Yogiji Maharaj who started Bal Mandal activities? He also spread satsang throughout Africa, Europe and America. In 1970, Yogiji Maharaj sent first group of Swamis to America. Yogiji Maharaj taught everyone the secret of progress. Does anyone know it? So repeat after me. Samp,
સંપ,
સુરદભાવ,
હૃદભાવ,
એકતા
એકતા
રાખ્યા વગર
રાખ્યા વગર
છૂટકો જ નથી.
છૂટકો જ નથી.
the only way we can go to Akshardham is by having some Surad Bhav and Ekta.
છઠ્ઠા ડબ્બામાં
છઠ્ઠા ડબ્બામાં મારા પ્રમુખ સ્વામી છે.
છઠ્ઠા ડબ્બામાં મારા પ્રમુખ સ્વામી છે.
લીલી ઝંડી શ્રદ્ધાની લીલી ઝંડી ભક્તિની ફરકાવે છે.
કેવી ઝંડી સ્વામીજી ફરકાવે છે.
અને કહે છે કે શ્રદ્ધા અને ભક્તિ જીવનમાં દ્રઢ કરો.
પ્રમુખ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય.
In this carriage, we have our very own Pramukh Swami Maharaj. He only wanted to please his Guru Shastriji Maharaj and Yogiji Maharaj. He gifted the world with over 1,000 mandirs. Because of Pramukh Swami Maharaj, we are able to hold our Bal Sabhas and have the opportunity to do darshan of Bhagwan in mandirs. But that's not all. His greatest gift to us is Mahant Swami Maharaj. Do you know why Pramukh Swami Maharaj was loved and respected by all? Well, it is because of his faith and bhakti towards Bhagwan. He teaches everyone to have Shraddha and bhakti in our life. So let's repeat his teachings. શ્રદ્ધા અને ભક્તિ
શ્રદ્ધા અને ભક્તિ
જીવનમાં દ્રઢ કરો.
જીવનમાં દ્રઢ કરો.
Meaning develop faith and bhakti towards Bhagwan and Sant.
સાતમા ડબ્બામાં વાલા મહંત સ્વામી છે. સાતમા ડબ્બામાં વાલા મહંત સ્વામી છે. વાહ, સત્સંગનો સાર બતાવે છે. સ્વામી સત્સંગનો સાર બતાવે છે. એ સાર શું છે? ભગવાનને ભજતા સર્વે હરિભક્તો દિવ્ય છે.
Now here is our beloved Guru Mahant Swami Maharaj. He has tremendous love and mahima for all balaks and balikas. Mahant Swami Maharaj holds Bhagwan dear to his heart all the time. He is our father, mother, friend, guide and everything. We have met Bhagwan through him. He is the Pragat Satpurush and he is the only one who can show us the true essence of satsang. What is the essence of satsang? Repeat after me. Bhagwan ne bhajta
ભગવાનને ભજતા
સર્વે હરિજનો
સર્વે હરિજનો
દિવ્ય છે.
દિવ્ય છે.
This means all balaks, balikas, swamis and hari bhakto are divine. All are mukt of Akshardham. Nitya dodti rehse. What that mean? Bhagwan Swaminarayan has said that this train will flow continuously all the time for years and years. We are so lucky that he has said in Vachanamrut Vartal 19 that આ જીવને જ્યારે ભરતખંડને વિશે મનુષ્ય દેહ આવે છે ત્યારે ભગવાનના અવતાર કા ભગવાનના સાધુ એ જરૂર પૃથ્વી ઉપર વિચરતા હોય. Meaning, whenever a jeev attains a human body on this planet, Bhagwan himself or his nearest and dearest the Satpurush will certainly be present on this planet at that time. This is the blessing of Bhagwan Swaminarayan. Today we are very lucky that we have attained Mahant Swami Maharaj. Bolo Akshar Purushottam Maharaj ni Jai.
સ્વામી બાપા, હું ગાંધીનગર અક્ષરધામ કારમાં ગયો, દિલ્હી અક્ષરધામ ટ્રેનમાં ગયો અને અમેરિકાનું અક્ષરધામ હું પ્લેનમાં જઈશ. પણ પેલું આપણું શ્રીજી મહારાજનું જે દિવ્ય અક્ષરધામ છે એ આપ અમને કેવી રીતે લઈ જશો?
Wow, that was some great advice given to us by our gurus.
I know, right? Such important yet simple messages that we can remember forever.
And guess what? Some of our co-conductors have made a wonderful poem to remember these messages by.
Who, me? I hope you're not talking about me because I haven't written any poems yet.
Not you, Sharad Bhai. I'm talking about our amazing viewers at home. Let's see what they have to say.
A long time ago, Bhagwan Swaminarayan blessed this earth. He showed us the importance of attaining moksha, making us realize what this life is truly worth. At a young age, he traveled throughout India, granting moksha to all. And he blessed us with the teachings in the Vachanamrut and the Shiksha Patri to make sure we never fall. Gunatitanand Swami followed Maharaj's wishes and commands to the T. Even while waiting in heavy rain for a quick glimpse of Maharaj, his face showed nothing but glee. He gave us a scripture, the Swami Vaka, to teach us our purpose and everything else we need to know. We plant our seed of faith in Maharaj just like him. We will only continue to grow. In order to make his Guru Raji, Bhagaji Maharaj dedicated his whole life to satsang. Even though he lived a simple life, spreading Akshar Purushottam Upasana gave him rang. He followed every agna that was given to him, from calling girnar to watering mango trees, all the while teaching us who we should strive to please. Sastriji Maharaj was a true embodiment of someone who tolerated every obstacle and drawback. He decided to go on a journey to spread the knowledge that many lacked. A journey dedicated to spreading Akshar Purushottam Upasana and laying down its foundation. He gave us the 5 mandirs, showing us the value of pratna, hard work, and dedication. Along the way, there were many hardships, lack of funds and food, just to name a few. However, Sachi Maharaj kept faith in Maharaj through and through. Yogiji Maharaj's unique smile never left his face. To spread satsang in Africa and Europe, he traveled from place to place. He established Bal Sabhas and spread Samp, Suradbhav, and Ekta as values to live by. He loved us like a mother, showing us that the Satpurush is our greatest ally. Pramukh Swami Maharaj fulfilled Yogiji Maharaj's numerous sankalps, showing us his Shraddha and Bhakti. Through any obstacle he faced, he showed us that Maharaj and Swami give us the true Shakti. He built numerous Shikharbandh mandirs and Akshardhams to help spread satsang worldwide. And most importantly, he gave us the gift of Mahan Swami Maharaj, so we always have a guru by our side. The Pragat Satpurush, Mahan Swami Maharaj, shows us the right path by being our guide. We are extremely fortunate to have the true essence of satsang always by our side. He continues teaching us that with Samp we will never fall. And most importantly, we should strive to see the Mahima and Divyabhav in all.
Sharad Bhai, what was your favorite part of our journey?
My favorite part was when Maharaj taught us that Bhagwan ane Bhagwan na Sant ej kalyankari che, meaning that Bhagwan and Bhagwan Sant are the only ones who can give us Akshardham.
I loved that part too. That son today is no other than our beloved Guru, Param Pujya Mahan Swami Maharaj. We should make sure that we remember him and always follow his agna.
In today's Sabha, we learned about our amazing Guru Parampara and the morals they've given, which can give us happiness and peace. Wait, so does that mean our journey is over?
Of course not, Sharad Bhai. Didn't you hear this train will go on forever? Nitya Dorti Reshe.
Huh? Nitya Dorti Reshe?
That's right. Mahan Swami Maharaj is only a thought away, as we learned in last week's Sabha. Remembering him and following our niyams will help keep us connected and let us feel just as happy as we did during today's train ride with all of our gurus. And don't worry, we'll see all of you here next week at the same time, same place.
Aap Saune Jai Swaminarayan.
When we think of a guru, we think of an ideal person, teacher, friend, and more. Our gurus are perfect examples to look up to and learn from. As Gunatitanand Swami's disciple, Bhagatji Maharaj had many of the same qualities. He followed his guru's agna without question and understood his anuvrutti clearly. He had a constant thirst for knowledge and was able to understand Gunatitanand Swami as Akshar Brahm. Our lion, Shastriji Maharaj, will forever be known for his courage and bravery. He was not afraid of opposition and stood for our Upasana. He is the reason we have the BAPS Sanstha today. Yogiji Maharaj, known for his forever smiling face and love for children, is the reason we have Bal Sabha every Sunday. He also traveled beyond India and took satsang to Africa and Europe. Pramukh Swami Maharaj traveled tirelessly from village huts to countries around the world. He was able to touch every heart, influence every life, and inspire everyone he met. Our Guru, Mahant Swami Maharaj, radiates simplicity and humility. Not only does he teach us to always see Divya Bhav in others and keep sump, he also always does the same. These are only a few, but there are so many amazing prasangs and qualities in our Guru. Take some time today to reflect on some of your favorite qualities of our Gurus and think of ways to incorporate them into your own life.